Why pay for 5 tools when one can do it all? Let's dive right into it. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what is known as Boardroom. We're talking about grow organic traffic by 204% with a leading e-commerce SEO platform. And I have to admit, you guys, this right here is definitely changing the game. You can use AI to find untapped keywords in your product category, generate SEO optimized blog posts that make your visitors want to buy, and generate impeccable product images from photos you already have. And you can actually start a free trial right here. You can even get a demo. All right. So I want you guys to understand that whenever it comes to Boardroom, it definitely combines essential e-commerce growth tools into one unified platform. As we mentioned earlier, why pay for 5 when you find everything literally all in one place? Now, this was designed specifically for modern e-commerce brands, right? And as we already mentioned, we got AI powered backend for speed, scale, and simplicity. All right. So if we actually take a look here, you guys will see SEO. Obviously, this is the most reliable way to grow your e-commerce brands. All right. So right here, we got revenue growth. Look at that, 488%. Traffic growth, 204%. And we have right here 10 plus hours saved per week creating SEO optimized content using AI. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. All right. Now, a few things I want to kind of talk about here, you guys, is that whenever it comes to this overall platform, I mean, listen, they have AI product photography. Okay, that's actually going to be pretty important here. So, Boardroom combines essential things as I have mentioned. So, with this photography, it can instantly generate clean studio style or lifestyle product photos using AI. Okay, which is actually pretty cool. But I also want you guys to understand there's no need for photographers, backdrops, or editing software. And you guys already know that right there. I mean, you're talking about photographers going to cost a lot of money, or even if you buy your own camera, that's going to cost a lot of money. Then you got to get a backdrop, then you got to get software. We're talking about like thousands of dollars. This right here, no need. Okay. And it's also perfect for A/B testing, product launches, and social content. Okay. Now, a few other things I would like to mention, guys, is that they do have AI keyword search. All right. So technically, you can discover high volume, low competition keywords that are actually tailored to your products. You can even get traffic prioritized keyword suggestions, and then they even have data driven SEO insights without manual digging. Okay, so which is awesome. All right. Now, something else I would like to mention, you guys, is that they do have, let's say, like AI blog writing and SEO optimization. So, which is actually pretty cool. So, you guys can definitely scroll through this. But with that being said, the optimization, you can actually generate long form SEO optimized blogs literally within minutes. You can customize tones, format, and insert internal links automatically. And you can even auto publish directly to, say, Shopify for seamless workflow. All right, which is actually really cool. All right, so guys, check this out. They got right there, free trial. You can dive down into this if you'd like to. You can see right here. I mean, just kind of scroll through. And there's definitely a lot of things that they have to offer, as I have mentioned. Okay. So, you guys, they got unified analytics, I mean, across Shopify, right? We got Amazon, Google Ads, Meta Ads, and more. Not only that, time and cost efficiency. So you can actually save hours each and every single week, and you can cut down on multiple tool subscriptions. And finally, guys, with Boardroom, you're not just saving money, you're saving hours every single week. As mentioned, you're not learning about multiple different platforms. You can have everything done literally right here in this single software, right? Let's just call it that. All right. So big opportunity software platform. Okay. So I'm going to highly recommend that you guys do check this out. You'll see right up here, we got software, right? All this stuff, important, critical, right? There's the product photo studio. You guys can actually click right there to learn more about this. So, which is actually pretty cool, right? The AI, as we've already mentioned. So that's actually pretty awesome. I do like that. That actually looks pretty good. But not only that, you guys, if we go ahead and continue, you would see over here, I mean, they got more stuff. The AI product descriptions, as we've already talked about, you'll see that right here. You can go through this and exactly see how it works. Obviously, you got to create an account, but you can dive down into this. So pretty awesome, pretty cool. And then finally, you guys, you'll even see over here, we got some more stuff, right? So obviously, multiple stores, channel analytics, CRM services. They got resources right here, free downloads, blogs, newsletter, case studies, and then they even have pricing. So if you guys would like to try out the free trial, as mentioned, and then they have the solopreneur. So we got $24 a month. And you can see everything that they have here, which is great. Not only that, we got the $49 per month, and then we even have the enterprise at 99. And it kind of makes sense to me. I mean, $50 a month, that's pretty good. That's pretty reasonable, right? With everything that they have to offer. And if you happen to be, a little bit bigger, say like a company, then this is going to be big for you as well for the enterprise. So check it out. Let us know what you think. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. And one thing I did forget to mention, you guys, is be sure to check them out, especially right here on their X, also known as their Twitter. There are a lot of important details here. You guys will see that there's a lot of different videos. Not only that, they got a lot of updates, a lot of things happening. So I think this is going to be good for you. All right. So check them out, you guys. Make sure that you smash up that follow button. That's definitely going to be critical here, especially for participating. But you also want to stay up to date with everything that they're coming out with, right? Who knows? They got some massive discounts coming, right? Or maybe they already have some. So as mentioned, make sure you guys check out everything, especially whenever it comes to Boardroom. Okay, so if you guys will, be sure to check out the links down below in the description. Make sure that you smash up that like button, that subscribe button, and be sure to read the comments. And if you'd like, you can leave a comment yourself and tell us, what do you think? We'll see you in the next video.